says a lot about this neighborhood.
Yeah.
Do you have my cell phone on you?
No.
Because I want to go to their site and get the seller disclosure. All right, I'm going to go out to the car and get my cell phone and round up the kids. You take your time. I'm not ready to go anywhere yet. I just want to look up the seller disclosure on my cell phone.
I'm almost done. I've got one room in the attic to go.